Hi everyone, Marianne Cowan here from Pioneery Paper Crafts. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in Ottawa, Canada. And I usually go live Fridays, although during the summer that's kind of hit or miss. But I'm going to be getting back to a regular schedule, so it's Friday at 3. I'm here live today because I wanted to give you a little sneak peek at an event I have coming up. This is an annual event I hold, and it's my breast cancer fundraiser. And this year it is on November 1st. This is an in-person class, or you can order the class to go, and I will ship anywhere in Canada, and that is an additional $10 fee. So I thought I would just pop on and show you a couple of the cards. It is limited quantity of classes because with this class, well, I'll let you know what you get with this class. So with this class, we will be making 10 beautiful floral cards, and we will be featuring the Floral Impressions suite of products. And all the proceeds from this class goes to breast cancer research in Ottawa. I'm from Ottawa. So your class includes 10 beautiful cards, 2 each of 5 designs, and I'm going to show you 2 designs today. Give you a sneak peek, and we're going to make them together. All your materials are prepped, and you have to add your own sentiments, but I do the die cutting and the cutting and embossing for you. You will receive this embellishment. This is mine because I've used a few of them. I always have a color PDF as well as a tutorial. So even though the class is November 1st, you can do it anytime. The classes will ship out the week before November 1st so that you will have them on that day. And then you get a mystery bag of Stampin' Up! Products, and that would have a minimum value of $100. So everybody would get a stamp set. You would get a bundle, probably an embossing folder. You get some designer series paper, some embellishments, ribbons. It's a good way for me to clear out my craft room and pass along the materials to someone who could use them. So it's whatever you get in your kit, in your mystery bag, is what you get because it's a mystery. It's a mystery bag. But I will tell you that you'll have lots of more than $100 worth of products. So November 1st, mariannecowan.com/events, and you will see the registration link there, and then I will send you a link regarding payment. So we'll be making 5 cards. You will be getting these to adorn your beautiful cards. So I'm going to show you all 5 cards, but we're going to make 2 together. Because I know you could just copy the cards and say, oh, I'll just copy the cards. But it's a fundraiser, so I'm hoping you will support it. There will be a PDF available closer to the date once I get it done. So here's the first one. It's a cute fun fold. And you can see how beautiful this paper is. And here I've used the, what are they called? Frosted iridescent dots. So I've used them on this card. Just love the way that opens. I found this design on Klompin Stampers. Jackie Bolhuis. Here's another one. The paper has really a lot of different color palettes. So this is the next one. Perfect time for this year. It's beautiful sunflowers. I appreciate you. So like I said, everything will be cut, tucked into an envelope. You just need to pull it out. You stamp your sentiment and then put your card together. Here's another one that I haven't quite finished putting together. No, that's not the one we're making. So you'll get all these pieces. And again, I've used the embellishments for the flowers. And then we're going to make 2 today. So let's go ahead and make our 2. So the first one features fresh freesia cardstock, and then fresh freesia layer. And I just put new blades in, so hopefully that will be good. So we're going to layer this up. If there are any bows in your cards, I also tie those. Then we have a layer of basic white. Let me know if you're watching. Then we have a die cut piece using the textured notes, I want to say, if I'm remembering correctly. You can see how pretty this paper is on both sides. So let's go ahead and put this down. But before we pop this up, we're going to put down this layered piece. Just want to see exactly where I want it. Yeah, that's good. Oopsie. I love how the papers in this particular pack really coordinate nicely, fronts and backs. Okay, let's go ahead and put this together. No, I'm going to pop it up first so I'll know how much I can hang off the edge. So we'll just go ahead, put some dimensionals on the back. There is an option too, if you go on my website, to order an adhesive pack where you'll get some dimensionals and all kinds of things that you might need to make your cards. So I'm just going to put glue on the bottom because I do want it to hang a little bit off the edge. There we go. And for this, oh, there's my other one. This one you're going to have 2 flowers that you can put on. And then your sentiment piece is going to go here. And I wonder if a regular dimensional will work. Might be a bit too big. Yeah, it's going to be too big. So I'll use my mini dimensionals and I'll add my 2 flowers. I went ahead and added the little gemstones before I popped on, so you didn't have to watch me do that. So I'm going to put one here and one here. So these cards are great for any occasion. And then your sentiment would go there. Very pretty. I'm just going to put a little glue dot to hold that on because I can take it off. There. Perfect. All right, so that's card number 4. And then card number 5 is a similar design, but a little bit different. We're using fresh freesia. No, we're not. That was fresh freesia. This is, it'll come to me. It's the color I use all the time, especially in the spring, actually. So these cards can be for all seasons. Then let's put this, oh, it's just so pretty. I hate putting glue on this side, but I must. So we're going to tuck this right to the edges, flip it over, add a bit more glue. This one I'm putting close to the bottom. So a reminder that the class will ship anywhere. I can only ship to Canada. So if you live outside Canada, maybe you would want to buy the PDF tutorial to support breast cancer research. I know we've all probably know somebody that's been touched by breast cancer. So it's definitely, and the research has come a long way, so we need to keep doing more research. There we go. And again, I have my little branch. That's what I'm going to put. And for this one, there's 4 little flowers. And I think this might work. Let me see if you can see it once I put it on. Sometimes when you use the tiny little ones, they don't stay very straight. I think that's good. You could also just use a glue dot and put it down that way. So again, I've used the iridescent dots on this card. And I'm going to decide where I want to put 3 of them, and then I'm going to put 1 down by the sentiment, which I didn't do the sentiment yet. Sometimes I don't do the sentiment on the card, and then when I decide who I'm giving it to, I can add the sentiment. So the sentiment is going to go here, and then the other dot, or the other flower, is going to go right here. Let's go ahead and put that on just so when I show you all of them, you can see what it's going to look like. So I'm going to put it like that. And again, I'm just going to put a little glue dot. I find a glue dot will be easier to lift up when I want to do my sentiment. You could also use the ephemera pack to just put a sentiment on top of that. Okay, let's recap. Those are the 2 cards I'm going to show you. So this is the breast cancer fundraiser class, November 1st, but you don't need to be available November 1st because I can ship it, or you can get the class to go. So here's card number 5, card number 4, card number 3, which I will just quickly put together. Okay, that's giving me a hard time. And then the little flower would go there. This fun fold, which has a lot of designer series paper, I'm going to say. Let's slide these up. And card number 5. You'll also get the iridescent dots, the frosted iridescent dots with your class. And again, I'm just going to put it like this so that I can take a screenshot. So it's the Breast Cancer Fundraiser, November 1st. We will be making these 10 beautiful cards. There are options on the website if you wanted to purchase the bundle that I've used to die cut these. And the paper is just beautiful. It includes envelopes, a PDF tutorial, a video tutorial, and a mystery bag with minimum $100 in Stampin' Up! Products. So if you're interested, check out my website, www.mariannecowan.com. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks, everyone.